Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are in Banff today and we are going to be doing an anniversary hike to Lake Louise. If you remember my video from last year, we barely got to see Lake Louise since it was raining that day and we couldn't even hike up the mountains to get a better viewpoint of Lake Louise. So for our 5-year anniversary, we decided to go up to Lake Louise and hike the trails, see Lake Louise at its best form. And today the weather couldn't be any more perfect than this, as the sun's out, it isn't raining, the views look good, and fingers crossed, things are going to look better from here and we will hike successfully and see the amazing views. Stay tuned. We are right now in Lake Louise and we are doing the Lake Agnes trail. The elevation gain over here is 385 meters and there is a tea house located at the end of the trail. So it's said to be moderate to difficult and it's been only 5 minutes but I'm already out of my breath. I hope I can finish the hiking smoothly and don't pass out on the trail. We are almost on our way to the tea house. We are at Mirror Lake now. This is on the way to the tea house and it's about 2.8 kilometers above Lake Louise. And this is how it looks from behind. The crowd today is not that much, which makes it ideal to hike. And we are just under 1 kilometer away to reach the tea house and have Lake Agnes's tea and visit Lake Agnes. Then we decided that we will be most likely making a detour to the Beehives if our body permits us. So let's see. to stop at Lake Agnes Tea House, we decided to challenge ourselves further and move up and see the little Beehive viewpoint, have our lunch there, and then come back and have tea at the tea house. The views over here are absolutely gorgeous. We actually got to see 3 lakes together: Mirror Lake, Lake Agnes, and Lake Louise all in one. Right now behind me is the Lake Louise in the backdrop. And it's amazing to see the view from this high and appreciate the beautiful turquoise color. If we never hiked this, we would never see the beautiful view over here. So guys, always challenge yourselves to go that extra mile and you will be rewarded with amazing views. After visiting the little Beehive, we stopped by Lake Agnes Tea House, and this is another new lake which we have witnessed, and they have a tea house built on that lake. They prefer cash only, and we knew that beforehand. We ordered 2 lemonades and a chocolate chip bar, which costed us about $10, and we just stayed there for a while, enjoyed the view, sitting in the tea house, and it was really blissful for sure. Now we are going to be taking the trail down to Lake Louise Lakeshore and end the journey of this hike. Just finished hiking in Lake Louise. It was the perfect bucket list hike for us. We've been wanting to hike here for ages now, and finally that day came true. The weather was perfect, it didn't rain at all completely, and the whole Lake Agnes to Little Beehive and then back again to Lake Louise Lakeshore took us a little under 5 hours. So we started at 11 a.m. and we got done about 4 p.m. Obviously we took breaks in between for pictures, for resting up a little, and for lunch. Of course, we bought our own lunches and we enjoyed it with a view. So we came back to Banff using the Rome Transit bus. They do have public transit buses which go all the way up to Lake Louise for $10 per person, and we used that while going and coming back. Today we'll be staying at Banff since it's our anniversary trip, and we have decided to spend one night in Banff. early today at 10 a.m. in the morning, and we decided to view more of the city and walk around and explore things nearby, as we never got to explore the city before. Right now we are at Vermilion Lakes. This is the ecosystem lake, and right behind me is the Rundle Mountain. It's only 3 kilometers away, and we walked about 30 to 35 minutes just to reach this viewpoint. We're going to explore a couple more places before we head back to Calgary tonight. And yeah, it's so beautiful. The weather is perfect. Couldn't imagine it being any better than this. And it's a lovely day outside today. After Vermilion Lakes, we decided to have lunch, and we stopped by Masala Indian Cuisine. This was excellent restaurant, and I highly recommend it to you guys, those who are looking to stay and have lunch over there, because the employees have been really amazing and they were friendly as well. After that, we strolled around in the city and we went to Cascade of Time Gardens. This is located just outside the city, and it's a botanical garden, so if you are interested in natures and flowers, it's a perfect place to be there, and it's completely free. And now we are ending it with the Bow River in the backdrop. It looks absolutely beautiful. Love the color and love the mountains amidst the city. So this has been our trip to Banff. It was simple and very budget friendly. It costed us only less than $400 to do accommodation, food and transport, and we made the most of everything. So if you guys liked my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Thank you again so much, guys, for watching my videos and supporting me. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.